check it out. 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 So check it out. Guess what we're gonna do today? Yep, something totally exciting. We are gonna weigh the Land Cruiser. Not that exciting, but I'm gonna weigh it. I have about half a tank of gas, and you can use it to see how much yours weighs. My Land Cruiser's pretty much stock. Shut up, GPS lady. I have one tire size bigger than stock, so I think the Land Cruisers came in 96 with 265 75 16s. This one has 285 75 16s. So a little bit bigger tire. Well, let's go check it out. We'll see how much it weighs. So, check it out. We finished weighing the vehicle. I weighed it empty and then I had to weigh it full for something, but you can see that, I'll show you here on my ticket, that my Land Cruiser weighs 4,980 pounds. And I don't know how good this GoPro is going to do for this. Yeah, so that's that. 4,980 pounds. And now I have, with my trailer, 2,360 pounds added to it. Woo!